Hola, señora Vaz here with instructions for today. For your actividad inicial, you're going to go to this photo. And there is a question here. It says from vocabulary 3, select an adjective that does not describe you. Write the statement in negative form. For example, no soy perezosa. So you're going to find it in the vocabulary 3. Do not use Google Translator, just that, okay? Then you're going to work on these 4 activities from SpanishSpanish.com. I put the link directly to the page, but if you request your information, here it is, in case that you need it. Here's your username and your password, in case that you are requested for that. For the page 11, you're familiar with this. You just need to match the word blue with the word pink, and it gives you the score right here. Then you take a screenshot of the score and you submit it in here. But you don't have only one, you have 4. In this one, you're going to complete each sentence with the word that is right here. Remember that if it's masculine, you're going to use the masculine form, but if it's feminine, you have to change the form to the feminine form. The information is on the vocabulary 3, so you can find it there. And you just need, if you have questions about who is the boy and who is the girl, then you can ask me and I'll help you with that. Just complete the sentences, and then once again, when you got your score here, you get your score here, you make a screenshot, please, with the score and some of the questions. It has to have some of the questions so I know what activity you are submitting. If you submit only the score, it doesn't count. And the next one is similar to that one, but in this case, they give you the word in English. You have to look for the word in Spanish, and then complete the sentence with the correct form. Remember, if it's a girl, like in this case, you have to use the feminine form. But if it's the word that works for both boys and girls, then you leave it like that. Ask me questions so you know that when you get it right, it just turns green. So it doesn't turn green, just ask me questions and I help you. And then the last one is just all the words that you have in your vocabulary 3. You just go there and find them and put the answers here. Okay. Then you have this activity that 1B-1. So the assignment, you click right here and it shows you this page that has some pictures. So in these pictures, people are doing some things. So number 1 is playing something, is throwing a ball. So you see the actions that they are doing, and then according to what they are doing, what you see in the picture, you are going to describe them. So you are going to use an adjective. Do not tell me that she's playing sport or that he's studying or that she's talking with friends or something like that. I need the adjective. The adjective is like she's athletic, he is messy, she's sociable or funny because everybody's laughing, so she's funny. This one is impatient. So you just, you look at the pictures and you have 8 pictures. 8 pictures, so you need to type 8 words right here in this space. So you're going to put the 8 words, 1 through 8, right there. And then last, you're going to work on actividad 1B-2. You're familiar with this, you put your name, you put your grade, and then you're going to unscramble these words. Be careful, use only the letters that you have here. Do not forget the special characters. And you complete this, organize the words, the letters to make a word. And then once you finish this, you're going to move to the next part. In the next part, I'm giving you a word, an adjective, and you're going to tell me if this adjective corresponds to the picture on the left or on the right. Okay, so you just need to select that, and that's it. That's all you have for today. Once again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you. Nos vemos. Adiós.